So actually I'm speaking to Naresh about your work, Naresh, and my sort of first experience of seeing this particular work, Bombay Rituals, which actually you came to the gallery before it went to Gwanju Museum. You wanted to show me what you had done and actually lay out these pieces of paper and kind of express how this work actually came to being. And I was like, this is absolutely impossible. You remember?
Yeah.
We kind of laid it out, and I mean, we didn't lay it out. I'm like, no, you cannot lay it out. But then you showed me a few of them, and then you opened your computer and showed me this work. And I was like, Naresh, if you never make another work ever again, this is it. I also think of it in terms of your own back story. First of all, you use A4 size yellow pages. So one is to avail of yellow pages. Where does this come from? To find, you tell me how you go to bookshops, to Ratiwalas, but yellow pages went out of circulation so many years ago. So to actually find clean books is also part of this kind of ritual of making the work. When you make like a single image, and let's just come here to this part where you kind of left the yellow pages to be seen, the yellow page to be seen, but then it extends here and it extends here and then it extends here, and then you have this kind of ongoing story around it, but then that ongoing story goes around somewhere else. And I just think it's really remarkable how a little work, how a single page is envisioned to become a bigger story. And I think what you've achieved here compared to any of your other work is something quite unthinkable in some ways. So the whole act of actually installing the work, I understood the difficulty of what you've gone through to come to this. So I just look at, some of the stories that you tell of being a migrant from Patna coming to Bombay, which are told in many ways here, with homes, homes being split in different places, where are you? Is it Bombay? Is it not? Also the use of, I don't think there is a color that is misplaced here. I really love the way you have incorporated color as part of your story, as part of your migration story. So the way you look at indigo and the person painted in indigo, which has a very personal connect of Champaran and the whole indigo trade in Patna, in Bihar, and Bombay being a center for trade. I love the way you use spaces, so when you have color and then you have the yellow pages to be just seen for what they are. It's also a way that you are incorporating color into the work. I come here sometimes to take a break in the course of this exhibition, when one is sitting on a chair, and I come here and it's just this work that I gravitate to the most, because I really discover a new element every time, and I think that's the beauty of this work, because what you have done, Naresh, is not left anything idle. It's just like, it's literally a dance right through this piece of work.